In this video, I'll show you how to do your crypto tax fast with Koinly. First, create your Koinly account and start by importing all of your wallets, exchanges, and crypto services. Koinly's official Getting Started guide says the fastest setup is to go to the Wallets page, click Add Wallet, search for each platform you use, and then import your transactions using API sync or CSV files. Next, wait for Koinly to process the data. Koinly says it automatically matches transfers between your own wallets, fetches market values, and identifies activities like staking and liquidity-related transactions. This is what saves the most time compared with doing everything manually in a spreadsheet. After that, review your transactions before downloading anything. Koinly recommends checking for missing history, duplicate entries, or cost basis problems, because those issues can make your gains look too high or inaccurate. Once everything looks correct, open the tax reports page, choose the tax year, and generate the report you need. Koinly's report guide says you can select the year, pick a report type, and then download the finished file. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.